What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix no sound through the HDMI on your Windows. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do, just press Windows button and save settings. Open it and go here on system and move it to sound. And go here to output and make sure you select your HDMI like me device. By me is speaker high definition, just select it like me. This is my master volume for it and this is my mic for. And make sure on your monitor you turn this volume up. Also if this step don't help you, just move to your Windows button and say PC and go here on manage and you will see this computer management window. Go here to device manager and you will see audio input and outputs. Click this and find your HDMI like me. Make sure this is enabled. When it's disabled you will see like this. Go right click and click on enable. When you do that, go right click one more time and click on update driver. Go search automatically for drivers and make sure you have this message like me. Click here close. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.